Wonder what that's all about.
Got tired of waiting on them.
Yeah. Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do.
Yeah. They lost that part, they don't know where it's at. The whole box. Tyler. This is Gary and
How you
Tyler.
doing? Tyler Stanley says, Gary Fitzpatrick, next. That's Fred. Hi, Fred. I'll pass you in a minute.
Y'all said there was a pond somewhere.
That's only 20 foot right there.
Got water at 20 foot?
Only about 10.
Yeah, buddy.
A little slippery. I need some new muffins. He's about wore out on
That's only 100 foot too, isn't it?
Right, yeah.
So that pipe was about full.
All the way.
Yeah. That's a good thing, right? Ha ha. Let me get back here.
I feel like being cold all day.
Okay. Woo, look at that. back into that old dry shale again. They're getting ready to blow it out for the last time and clean it out, start setting the casing. Real good, like that. Little blue. Man that's doing this well has been doing this for 43 or 44 years, I think. Took me 3 years to get somebody out here. Well, that video of the well being dug was shot back in the spring. And this is what we ended up with. We got real good water, got a lot of it. We've watered with it all summer, and really did save us a lot of money. But we got the well dug, and we've been sick around here for a month. The greenhouse is still producing. We've got, you can see in there, I don't know if you can see it or not. Those are okra that we grew in there, and they're still loaded. Nobody wants okra anymore, so we just let it go. We're going to use that for seed, but we've got some collard greens. This is the week of right before Thanksgiving. We're still getting tomatoes out of there, little tomatoes. Let me show you kind of what's been going on around here. We had a massive windstorm come through here a few months back. Worst wind I ever heard in my life for an extended period. It blew for 20 minutes. This is one of its casualties, this big maple tree. You can see the old barn didn't fare too well, but this is nothing compared to what I'm going to show you out back. This is an old camper trailer that's sitting over on a neighbor's place. You can see that maple tree right there. The top blew out of it. You got that old camper. But you can look up here on the pond bank. We lost some massive trees. You see, I've been cleaning down there. All that used to be wooded, and you can see that there's another big oak right there that's blown over. But I've been cutting, but here's a backside of the pond here. You can see what happened here. Just took this giant elm tree and laid it over like it was nothing. And there's the root ball left of it. Take you a little further out back and show you some other stuff. We've been in a drought here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a brush pile there. And then out towards the road down there, there's another one. We haven't been able to burn anything. We was in a drought for about 3 months. And then we got, of all things, 17 inches of rain in about 6 days. That pond over there was empty, almost dried up. And as you saw in that last picture, it was full. Let me show you these monster trees that got blew over. Here's where the most damage was. Out on the back side of our property here. Here's another giant elm tree. You see the root ball on that. I don't mind the elm so much, but that's an oak. I'm sorry. That's an oak right there. That's one of my giant oak trees. Here's the elm I was talking about. You can see this wind just came through here. We never did find the wind speed, but I'd never heard anything like it before. And here's 2 massive oak trees together. You can see the root ball on this thing. That's waist high for me. But you can see these 2 oaks. You see all back through there, all kinds of trees laid down. We'll have firewood for a long time. I'll show you how big that root ball is. Which it's all filled in water now, but what's the size of that? That's 15-20 feet up there. Anyway, thought I'd give you that, and I had that video in there and ready to go for the well. I thought I need to start posting some videos. Got some other things going on, so appreciate y'all watching. See you next go around.